The University of Nottingham, Nottingham Trent University, and the BBC Constorchestra recently started a very exciting partnership. During residencies through the year, students have the opportunity to work hands-on with the professional orchestra, from the players through the entire administrative staff. There's also very exciting opportunities for collaborative research, and the orchestra's presence in the city is enriching our already vibrant cultural offer. Well, I would say that the first 2 residency weeks have been a great success. I mean, first of all, even beyond the BBC, it's been really wonderful to have students and staff from the University of Nottingham working alongside students and staff from Nottingham Trent University in really meaningful ways. Sekou Keita came and delivered an improvisation workshop in which performers from the University of Nottingham and the Nottingham Trent orchestras came together and played side by side with the BBC Constorchestra, and they all got to learn a bit about improvisation.
I think one of the most exciting things that's been achieved so far is a conversation in the city about the musical ecology of Nottingham and supporting our young people to explore music, not only as a career choice, but as a love throughout their life. With our brilliant partners, both at the University of Nottingham and the Theatre Royal Concert Hall, and with the Music Hub in the city and the county, we've started this conversation, and that can only be to the betterment of Nottingham's creative scene.
Being involved in this project is amazing. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I'm really enjoying every moment of it.
It's felt really surreal knowing that I'm going to write something for the BBC Constorchestra to play. And it's always been quite theoretical, I suppose, up until the last week. And being in the room today with the players, it's been amazing.
I feel proud and confident and well prepared for next project.
It's been great for us all to explore this kind of first step, but we're already now talking about next year, how we can make the experience for the students an even more kind of sort of realistic professional experience of what they'll face when they're out there in the big wide world.
We're really excited about the future of this partnership, and we're learning as we're going through our work with the BBC Concert Orchestra and beyond. And it's very exciting for us to see how the partnership will develop to the betterment of the students, the academics, and the people of Nottingham.